Hello guys, this is Crypto Dutchie and welcome back to an update video of our swing trading practice. And in this video we have some sad news, but hey, that's part of trading. And that is this stock over here that we are watching at, so we will take a look at what happened to this stock. We're also going to watch at Neptune Wellness Solutions, what happened over there, and the MoneyGram International Incorporated. Because a lot of things happened. And I guess we're just gonna start with Bluebird over here. Do you remember how good this one was looking? With the double bottom, on the weekly we had the divergences. Yeah, but in trading nothing is certain. We only look for 60% chances, or 50 and a bit higher. And guess what happened to this stock? You can't see it right now, but when I scroll down on this chart you can see it. Yeah. This stock gapped down and opened at 33.50, and that is the price that my stop loss was triggered. Of course, we had our stop loss at, what was the price? 40.79. But unfortunately, the markets were closed for 3 days, also on Monday, and on Tuesday this happened, so that was yesterday, and we lost 30% of our investment, and that is unfortunate, but that is the first time this happened to us to the downside. We will never forget AMC, right? That gapped up to the upside and was just a perfect trade. But yeah, we have a 30% loss of our, I think that was 1,000 investment. Let's have a look at our spreadsheet. I think I made it red. Yeah, we put in 1,000 in this stock, and we bought it from 48.15. And we sold our shares at 33.50, and that means that we lost $307 of the 1,000, and that's very unfortunate. But that's part of trading. So yeah, this stock now is a bit dead in my opinion. We had this huge divergences on the MACD, on the RSI, double bottom at a critical support line, and now we are below it. So this is now over. And the only moment I would be interested in this stock again is when it drops all the way to 18, because it was never lower than 18, and then maybe go back to 35 for 100%. But it needs to make some patterns here. That's going to take weeks and weeks and days. In my opinion, this stock is not tradable unless it gets to this point for an entry, or it gets above this resistance. Backtest the resistance with divergence, and then we can try again. I think there was some lawsuit or something with this stock, I'm not sure. And remember, we don't care, we only look at the charts. That is what we are doing. We are mechanical swing traders. And this is part of what we are doing. This is part of the job, losing trades. We are trying to make 50 to 60% profitable trades, and then we make a lot of money. So around, from the trades we are in, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 trades. If we lose 7 or 8 trades, nothing is going on. We are still making money. So, and compared to the profit from AMC, that was just crazy, right? 4,844. But yeah. So you can also say, we just lost 300, it's nothing. And actually it is nothing, so. That's not the only thing that happened. Well, this happened yesterday. Today, 2 things happened as well. Let's go to the Neptune stock. Before I do this, let's get blue. You know what? Let's get blue out of the list. Not interested in this for a long time, so let's just put it out of here. We have Neptune here. That unfortunately stopped out, but that's okay because it reached our first profit target of 3.29. It never reached the second profit target, but the rule that we do is when we reach the first profit target, we sell 50% of our holdings, and then we put our stop loss at the entry so that the trade will be stopped out with a profit, and that's what happened here. And that means that for this one, and that is, let's have a look, Neptune. Yeah, I already did it over here. So this thing happened. And this thing happened. We sold 400 and this at this price, and we sold 400 at this price. We invested 1500, and that means that this is now done, and that our profit for this trade, I need to calculate this again. Yeah, this one is each 12 plus this one min E12. Yeah, so this one is this plus this minus our entry price, and that is our total profit of this this trade. And let's put that in here. So we still got 688. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. So a nice profit out of this trade. Very, very nice profit. There were some big percentages in this one. 75% in the first target. So yeah, that makes sense. We sold half of our shares at around 38% profit. Yeah, that's correct over here. And so that one is also done now. And something else happened as well to... Well, I think I'm gonna monitor this trade still, because there is of course a big resistance line coming up, and it is possible that it is making more divergence. It depends really. I mean, right now it's at the same level. If this drops down to this support line again, yeah, then we lose our divergences actually. I'm gonna put it way down in the list here. Not interested anymore. There's another trade that had something happening, and that is MGI. And this one is completed. It took some time, but let's close the position over here. Not that it really matters. It's just that I see that I'm out of the trade in paper trading. This amount is just not correct anymore. But we hit the target. The second target of MoneyGram at 10.85, I think. Let's see, where is MoneyGram? MGI. Here. Yeah, this got hit, so we can make this one green. There we go. We sold 100 for this and 100 for this, and that is our profit from this trade, which is also a lot actually. Let's this one plus this one in between the hooks. But oh, it doesn't matter, I think. Minus the entry. 500 profit. Very nice. Yeah, the percentages were still 28 and 44%, so we average around 31% on NDI. That is more than 450, 550. Yeah, I think that's correct. So another trade done. And are we interested in this trade now? Not really. I mean, this one can go way and way higher because we have this huge shark pattern. Wait, is that a shark? Yeah, I think that's shark. Cypher is going to the 886, I think. I forgot, I need to look that up again. But yeah. Not interested at this point anymore. And thanks for the profits. That was a nice trade. You could argue that there is now bearish divergence happening on the daily. Yeah, and also on the RSI. So we are not interested in this stock until it goes back to 7. And then hopefully we get some better patterns. But for now, let's go down. And I think that's all what happened. So let's go over the trades we are still in. Medallia, yeah, that did not hit our second target. The first target was hit on Medallia. We hit 43. It's not on the chart anymore. This is our second target and the last target, but no, it's not hitting it. Maybe it goes back to the stop loss, and then that's fine as well. Then we just look for a new one. American Airlines still going. Still looking good. So we just let it run. Ford had some good news on the Dutch channel, that I saw, of course, because I am Dutch. Nothing serious happened today, so the news did not do anything. They're gonna make only electric cars from 2030, yeah. Well, that's what the news is saying, and the news is never right, so I don't listen to it. And you should also not listen to the news. Center point, got a backtest again of this support area. It's getting time for this one to go up again, but no, it's not going up right now. But I will just let it run, otherwise it gets stopped out. It's only 5%. And the first target is 14. This one, VBI vaccines never hit the target. It's now dropping down again. Maybe it's making a higher low and then goes up again, just like it did over here. But then over here, you never know. So just let it run. ARCT did not hit our target. That was the gap fill. Now it's back to our entry price, unfortunately. Let's hope it's gonna get supported over here and makes a new run up. Kodak also selling off towards our entry. Did not hit our target. We were actually pretty unlucky with the first targets, that we are so close to it a lot of times and we didn't hit it. So, but maybe it's making another higher valley over here. Then we have 4 valleys and then maybe goes up again. Still looking good. Still looking very bullish. So why should we go out of it? Antro Bitstream finally broke out of this resistance here. So that's very nice. Some sort of head and shoulders pattern over here. And the measured move is over here. But we have 2 targets before we hit that measured move, because there's resistance over here and here as well. There's a fib line. And yeah, it's looking good. Today it's not looking good. A lot of things are in the red. But yeah, things can still run over here. No reason to sell this whatsoever. The XL Fleet Corp is still going. Not doing a lot actually. What is the volume right now? Can I see it? Yeah, there's still plenty of volume. But yeah, it's making higher lows still. There is still this divergence coming out. We did not see positive momentum since the 5th of January. I'm waiting for it. And I think when that happens that we will go up again. But yeah, we have to be patient for this one. It's not wanting to break out of this this channel here. Maybe we can plot it differently now. Maybe this is better. Let's plot it like this. Doesn't really matter really. But yeah, it's still getting his support over here. Let's see when it's gonna play out. The QRVO did went up a bit by this divergence, but now it's going down again. Yeah, hopefully it gets supported over here and then goes to a target. It's only 12% and 22%. It's not a big trade, so. And of course we have this long-term upwards support line here. It could get stopped out and then go over here again, but then we will take a look at the divergences. Maybe we will enter again. And of course the last one we entered actually pumped. I think I made a video last week for this. Yeah, last week I entered this. Last week on the 11th, I think. And it went up, so very nice. Did not hit the first target yet, but it's now finding support at this. What was resistance is now a support line. It's the top of the double bottom here. And let's see if it holds over here, maybe 1 or 2 days, and then maybe goes up. That would be very, very nice. Still looking bullish in my opinion, so we will let it run. But we are now in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're still in 11 trades. And yes, we do have money left now, I think. Yeah, I need to calculate the available equity again. This is now, of course, it's just the previous one plus this one. So let's do this on the stream. This is this one plus this one. This is this one plus this one. And this is this one plus this one, and then it goes down a bit. So yeah, we have, I think we have 3,000 available, plus these gains, of course. Because Medallia is the only trade now that got our first target, and where the stop loss is now our entry. The other ones are still running and waiting for the first targets to hit. So we have 3,000 available, and we made 6,395 profit, I think, until now. Now, last week we did not make any profit. So in week 6, the end ends on, what is it, 19th? Yeah, 19th of February. At this point we have 1,603.95.30. That's what it is right now. This can still change, of course, but right now we have 6% profit in 1 week, even with the bluebird loss. So yeah, it's going fantastic. And maybe we should enter more trades. I mean, I have a couple on my radar. What about this one? Look at this one. I think it looks very nice. This is Hillian Holdings. It made a, what is this? A gartley, I think? Close to a gartley? No, a bet pattern. 886, 886. Yeah, this is a bet pattern. 50%, 0.886 retracement, 0.886 retracement. It's almost perfect. And now it's accumulating over here, and now it's sprung above this resistance line, and now it's trying to hold it. At the moment it's below it, so I'm gonna wait a couple more days, maybe 1 or 2 more days, see if it can hold over here, and then I will maybe enter. I think I want to see a bullish engulfing candle or something before I enter this one. But it's looking very, very good, of course. There is tons of divergences happening. It's the same low, but less negative momentum on the RSI and the MACD. And did I find something on the weekly on this one? Yeah, it's also very good. I mean, look at this one. From this low to this low, we have, well, this is not hidden bullish divergence, this is normal bullish divergence. And we are almost trying to get positive momentum again since October. And when this one gets positive momentum, it's pumping. So I really, really think I'm going to enter today or tomorrow in Hillian Holdings, and we will put in 1,600 because we have now 16,000, and our rule is to put in 10% of our portfolio in a trade. So I'm looking for this one. Rolls-Royce is a bit more of a risky project. Maybe I should not put in too much money in this one. But look at the divergences here. It's absolutely amazing. And it just sold off like crazy. I mean, it was once 21.11, and now it's only at 2. And it's holding this wick over here. This is the lowest price in 1996. But yeah, this is a big resistance line over here from 2003. Needs to get above it. When it's above this one, I think we will go back to 3.48, and that's of course a big profit. So I think I will go into this one. It's making a small move upwards. Maybe check what happens in the next days. Maybe it goes a bit lower, and maybe I will enter it. I mean, the stop is obviously just below these levels. And maybe I can make it around 10% really. Just so that it has a bit more room to go. And then we have a 4.8 to 1 risk-reward ratio. I mean, I'm willing to take that risk. If I lose 10%, that is $160. That's fine. If I make 50%, I get 800 profit. So. Still looking very good, these two. I think I'm gonna keep these two as my favorites to jump in soon. Yeah, this one did not go well. Maybe it makes another bottom over here, but no. I keep these two in mind. Maybe I'll enter these two in the next video. Now that's going to be it for this one. So it's going very well. A lot of trades are green. The ones that are red are not hurting that much. And we're having a nice profit thanks to AMC at the beginning of this this tutorial or practice. It's a trade practice videos. Okay, I will see you maybe at the end of the week, and otherwise I will see you guys next week. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to join the Discord. It's in the description, and I think it's also in my YouTube banner. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye-bye.